Hello guys, today I'll show you how to repair your hard disk or SD card if it's corrupted or damaged. When we open this disk, it shows this message because it's corrupted, and the message this message will pop up, and it says the disk is corrupted, and I'll show you how to fix this disk, and we will minimize it. And first we have to download this software. I'll put the download link in the description below. But we have to extract the zipped file, and I will tell you the password later, and we will write the password and extract it. After we extract it, we open the folder, and we will run as administrator by right clicking. Okay guys, if you are new for this channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification, and you will not miss anything. Okay, the software have opened, and we click on the start button and click yes. And the zipped file password is 345, and it's fixing the drive. Okay, it have finished fixing the SD card or hard disk, and we close the software. And when we go back to our disk, now it's available, and we can open it, and we can copy any file and use it. I hope you have enjoyed with the video, and thanks for watching.